How to change a drill bit. Method 1, how to change a drill on keyless chuck. Step 1, disconnecting the power. Firstly, you have to disconnect the power supply. For a cordless drill, disconnect the battery. For corded drills, detach the power cable. Step 2, locating the right place. To change the drill bit on your machine, you have to locate the chuck. Chuck refers to the place that holds the drill bit and is found on the top end. Step 3, swapping the drill bits. Now hold the chuck with one hand and the drill with the other hand. Now carefully rotate the chuck's sleeve to open it. Carefully take out the drill bit and insert the new bit. Step 4, tighten it up. Finally, now rotate the sleeve of the chuck in the opposite direction as before. Continue till the sleeve is sufficiently tight. Make sure to insert the new drill bit rightly in between the three jaws. For bigger drill bits, it might quickly get inserted. However, make sure that the smaller drill bit properly sits between the three jaws. Failing to do so will lead to off-centered drilling on the axis, or else it can even blow up your drill. Thus be vigilant. Method 2, how to change the drill bit using a chuck key. Step 1, discontinue power supply. Usually, such drills are powered by corded cables. In that case, remove the corded cable. It will take some time to shut down. Step 2, uncover key and its insertion hole and swapping bits. Locate the key and its holes. Insert the key in any one hole. Rotate the key to loosen the drill bit. Once the bit comes loose, remove it. Now, insert a new drill bit. Now tighten the drill bit by rotating the key in chuck's hole drill. Failing to insert the drill bit in the correct way, non-proper insertion of drill bits can lead to severe damages and injuries. Blowing off drill. If the drill bit is inserted inappropriately and even used to drill, it will place a huge anti-torque force on the chuck. If the drill machine is used in this position for a longer time, it will eventually blow up the drill machine. Wrist injury. The heavy machine may transfer the anti-torque jerks to the operator's hand. All this happens in a split second, which may cause severe wrist injury.